Welcome viewers. Today we are going to discuss forms making in MS Word or MS Excel. Most people call it student form or it could be any XYZ form. To make the form user friendly and to give us a good look, we assign lines, and if the lines are flexible or auto resizable, so it would be more convenient and attractive. So let's go and watch it on the screen. Now in front of us is a form type. So what we do conventionally, we simply assign a line and then copy, paste or whatever. This is the conventional method and it's look very odd and slow. And in case if you move the column, so it's big and small. So let's leave it and go auto. Select the columns and row and Control 1 from your keyboard and then go to custom under number and remove the word general and type @ star or * and full stop. Press on OK and it's done. Now it's also having a good look as well as it's auto resizable and stretchable. So as long as you stretch your column, your lines are auto resized. Now let's go and remove it on the same convenient and easy way. Select it, Control 1 and then go to custom and remove @ full stop and click on OK. Your form is as it is moved. Now let's do the same in MS Word. So what we do conventionally, we assign any line and then copy paste, and it looks odd as well as the size of the line remain different. So it's the conventional method and also inconvenient. So leave it, select the entire form, right click, paragraph, select tab and press clear all in case if previous data has been selected. This is for spacing between line and the word. So let me go and select 4, top, tab, stop, position I assign 6 and then I simply go and select 4 and set. Now click on OK. Now press your cursor in front of first and press tab and your form is in better shape and good looking. Now if you assign any color or reduce or increase its thickness, you can do it. To remove it, these lines on the same way, right click, paragraph, tab and clear all and press OK. Your form is in previous shape. I hope you would have liked. Please share and subscribe my video.